Hello, vloggers, content creators, and intending content creators. Have you been meaning to create that YouTube video with an elaborate YouTube studio, but you've considered yourself not that candidate? I mean, you keep saying, I wish I can create content like this. You see big YouTubers, you see their background, and you're like, oh my God, these guys have their own personal YouTube studio. And you've been telling yourself that I am going to get to this stage, but I don't know when. And just maybe because you do not have a YouTube studio, you have been discouraged and you cannot create content. You know, there is something about your ambience, your space, that makes you feel like, you're dishing out your best and all of that. Hold up. You'll be very happy that you stumbled on this video today, because I'm here to help you solve that problem. See, creating content alone is very difficult. And so if you would see someone that would help you make the journey a bit seamless, wouldn't you hop on it? Guess what? This YouTube studio is fake. I said what? Fake. It's fake. And that's why we are here. I'm here to teach you how to create YouTube videos with compelling backgrounds, compelling YouTube studio that will captivate your audience to get hooked. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever thought in this direction before. I mean, if you've ever imagined that you can actually create video and dump yourself in a very tush space. If I'm bringing you your way for the very first time, hit a thumbs up. Additionally, at the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how I was able to blur this background to, kind of give me a separation from the background and myself, just so that it gives this real effect. So you want to stick to the end of this video so that you do not miss out on all the juicy stuffs I have to pour out here to you. If you're a newbie here, you clicked on this video because somehow you've been geared towards content creation, and for some reasons you've not been able to. In my coming video, I'm going to explain in details how to get started in your content creation journey this 2024 and make tons of money. Be it short form videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even long form videos for your YouTube. I know a good number of you think you need to have everything from light box to camera, big phone, iPhone, ring light, tripod, and all of that stuff. I'm laughing because you didn't know. Guess what? I'm taking this a bit personal. I'm going to be guiding the first 20 people step by step on how they can create their first ever video that will trend. Consider turning on the post notification. That's after you must have subscribed to the YouTube channel so that you do not miss out when I upload that video. So without further ado, I'm Chama Vanessa, and let's get started. And I'm going to make sure I simplify this video as much as possible such that you enjoy every bit of it and stay true to the end. So with that, I'm going to be dividing this video in 3 steps. Step 1, 2, and 3. So let's go with step 1. First things first, you need to shoot your video. Let me quickly share 4 things that will guide you in shooting your video for this particular kind of content where you are going to be removing the background. Number 1, pick a background that is not too busy. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the kind of background I use. If possible, just a one color background, doesn't have this and this and this attached to it. It will help you so well in the editing of your video, such that by the time you introduce a different background, it matches with every of your gestures. Secondly, stick to a specific frame and make sure you do not go out of it. When I mean specific frame, I mean if you're using landscape, your phone is this way, please stick to it. If you're turning your phone portrait, please stick to it. Don't start a video like this and end it this way, or make it slanted. Please stick to a specific frame. Thirdly, keep the camera steady. So get a place to place your phone in such a way that your phone doesn't shift. No, nobody's holding it for you. Do not give anybody to hold your phone for you. Just get a place to drop your phone, just in case you do not have a tripod. And of course, you don't necessarily have to have a tripod to put a camera on your face. So you could actually get things to layer up your phone or whatever you are doing to just capture you. But the important thing is make sure it's steady. And lastly, you need a consistent lighting, and a good lighting to be precise. So by consistent lighting, I mean don't go under a light that is shaky, blue color light, all of those Christmas lights. No, you're not doing that. And you also want to throw your windows open and face that window so that the light gets to your face. One drawback with you not having a good lighting on your face is that by the time you must have change your background, it will just start looking like the background has taken the brightness in your face or in your videos, and also you just need that light to zoom to your face very well. If you do not have a ring light, please throw your windows open, use daylight. Trust me, it works. So with that, we're done with step 1, and we're now moving over to step 2, which is the practical. But before we move further, hey guys, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, tell me why. I'm about to share something that will change your entire content creation journey. I'm about to share something that you do not always see on this space. So yeah, I trust you're going to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'm going to put my timer on 5 seconds and use the opportunity to wait for you guys to please subscribe to the channel and join the family. Yeah. So let's go. 5, 4, 3. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. 2, 1. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Thank you. Namaste. All right, without further ado, let's jump to step 2. Okay, my people, it's practical time. Okay, what you're going to do is to go to your browser. I used Chrome and type in leonardo.ai. Yeah, so just type it in, click, and it takes you to this area where you'd have to now click on it. The first prompt, you click on it, and this is where you get to. The next thing you're going to do now is to click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, this is going to pop up. I'd advise you use Google. It's seamless and easier. So you click on Google to create this account, and of course the next thing to do, choose the account. If you have multiple emails, then after that it brings you to this point. You hold on for some seconds and it brings you to this point. Welcome to Leonardo AI. You'll have to pick a name that's a username for yourself. So you could just pick any name at all. I picked this name, and yeah, they will tell you if it's available or not. Hopefully it's available. Yes, so it's ready. Username available in green. Now you're just going to choose your interest. I would go with stock images and other. Then you also confirm if you are above 18, and then you click next. So it brought me here to this introducing motion. I just clicked on maybe later because that's not why I'm here. Okay, so yeah, this is what I am looking for. This is the particular place that you would get to, and you click on image generation. And once you click on image generation, it brings you to this AI image generation part. So right now, this is where you have to do the thinking. Imagine what you want your background to look like. It's probably a studio setup, a study room setup, a sitting room, however you want it. Type it and make it a bit detailed so that AI could be able to pick it. Usually you have 150 coins, so it means you can be able to generate at least more than 3 prompts to get images that you want. Yeah, so with the prompt I used, these are the images that came up, and I just went with one for the purpose of this tutorial. I had to turn my phone this way so that you could see the full view of how it came out, because the other way was taking up the whole size and we can't see it exactly how it came out. So that is it. I picked this, and then you just, when you click on it, you see a little sign of download just at the side. You can see it where I clicked on. So now you've downloaded. Next we go to the InShot app, click on photos, click on new, and then look for exactly that image that we picked, and this is how it's going to come. So now you click on canvas at the left hand side and go to 16 ratio 9. 16 ratio 9 is always that resize for YouTube. Once you do that, this is what you have. Use your hand to zoom it to fit. Zoom it as much as what you feel like it's good, what you feel you are comfortable with. So just zoom it to fit and then click on the good sign to save. And voila, you have your image now in a YouTube resize form. So the next thing you're going to do is download. It's now going to be in your image. Go straight to CapCut. So you'll need to download your CapCut app and go to new project. Click on new project. Click on photos. You'll see video and photo. Click on photo and click on the image that was generated from inshot. And once you have that, you now have it in your CapCut app. CapCut app is the video editing app we're going to be using. You stretch it to the length of your video. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a 30 seconds video, and so I'm looking at it and I'm stretching it to 30 seconds. After doing that, you now click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, you go to video. Up you have the photo and video. Go to video and pick the exact video that you want to use. Definitely a pre-recorded video that you would have already set aside for it. So I had to check to the end to see if my background covered it, and it did. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to cutout. So just look for cutout, and yes, once you click on it, you see remove background. Click on remove background and voila, it's removed. So it's going to be downloading. Make sure you're patient enough for your background to download to 100%. One hack I'll tell you about this background download is that try and ensure that if you are using a long video, a video about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, try as much as possible to make sure that you split your videos so that the background does not cause a glitch, because most times when it is trying to download, it would start freezing and all of that. You probably have to wait like forever for it to get to 100%. But yeah, you saw what I did earlier. I was trying to adjust, fit in, and yes, at this point you just wait for your background to get to 100%, and once it must have reached 100%, you all done. If you've watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do that. It will help me. It will put a smile on my face as well, and I'll be grateful. Yeah, I remember I promised that I was going to teach you how I blurred my background at the beginning of the video, and so I think it's time. Let's go. So same video, right? What you just need to do now is to go to video effects, video effect, and then type in blur. Once you type in blur, you have blur options. I usually pick the first one because it gives me what I want. The first one, that guy in red and blue. Afterwards, you see it's blurred. It's blurred. It was simple. So you just have to drag the blur now to the extent of your video, and that's on period. And if you don't want the blur to extend to the end as well, you can as well just drag it to where you want it to be. So you also have a place to adjust. I don't know, I'm sure you saw the click towards the left bottom. Yeah, so I adjusted and I think I'm fine. So if you've adjusted to what suits you, that's all we have on changing the background. Like, that is literally all. Yeah, so we click on download, export rather, at the top corner, top right, and once you have your 100%, trust me, it's sitting pretty in your gallery. Hey guys, what's up? How's it? How was the tutorial? Did I disappoint you? Did I? I remember telling you at the beginning of this video that I am going to show you the background I used in creating this video that you are seeing a different background in. Did I just mix up my word? I don't know. But yeah, so this is actually the background I used. Just an empty wall, a barren wall, and I got a tweak. So how did you find this video? Please tell me the truth. How did you find this video? Was it simplified? Do you enjoy it? Do you want to keep watching? I intend making more videos to help our content creation journey, because I'm also in this journey with you guys. So I intend making more videos like this. So you want to stick to this YouTube channel, and we're not going to disappoint. Please help me share this video, and of course subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.